Mermaid in 40 by 68 cm rounds with free version 3 special treatment. This is a painting by Cathy Delanssay. And for this special treatment, we have placed Alexandrite and sprinkled it in all of the dark blue areas in the picture. So this would include portions of her hair and also in the background, like what we see up here, cascading down. Aside from Alexandrite, we also have Labradorite, which we now see that has been placed in the dark green areas in the picture, and this would be mostly the plants. And finally, we have pink fluorite that we have sprinkled in her tail together with the other pink flowers in the picture. So this just gives it a nice glitter effect to really make your Mermaid by Cathy Delanssay look magical.